Well, latest pictures coming in this evening of a Congress delegation led by Rahul Gandhi and also including his sister and Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Congress MP Dipinder Hooda, who've been in 3 days of police custody, walking towards Lakhimpur to meet families of those farmers who died 3 days ago. Priyanka Gandhi there in those visuals coming out of that guest house where she was in UP police custody for 3 days. 2 Congress chief ministers are also there, Bhupesh Singh Baghel of Chhattisgarh and the Punjab chief minister, as they're heading right now to meet the families of those killed farmers. This came amid a day of great political drama as Rahul Gandhi and 2 chief ministers, first their PNRs were cancelled in Delhi airport, then when they reached Lucknow airport, controversy about letting them out. But the Uttar Pradesh government today, in a dramatic U-turn, said it was all right for politicians to go and meet families of those killed as long as they were in delegations under 5. This after 3 days of resistance. But the bigger story today is that the Minister of State for Home, the controversial Ajay Mishra, whose son is named as an accused in a murder FIR of the farmers, was back at work as usual. In fact, today he met with Home Minister Amit Shah. However, government sources have told NDTV that they are backing the minister as of now and there's no need for him to resign.
A striking contrast. A union minister whose department, Home, oversees law and order and policing matters of India, where he met Amit Shah. Ajay Mishra's son is accused in an FIR over the killing of 4 farmers. However, 3 days after the horrific incident, Ashish Mishra has still not been arrested, a top demand of the protesting farmers. On the other hand, a top opposition leader, Rahul Gandhi, blocked for almost half an hour by the UP police at the Lucknow airport. His aim to go to Lakhimpur Kheri and meet the families of the victims.
मुझे निकलने दीजिए प्लीज, निकलने दीजिए मुझे। ये देखिए, इधर जरा कैमरा लगाइए इनको यहाँ पे अच्छी तरह। ये देखिए, मुझे अब एयरपोर्ट से बाहर नहीं जाने दे रहे। लगता है कि कोई ट्रैप है, जरूर 100%, ये कुछ ना कुछ बदमाशी कर रहे हैं। Whether I'm kept in makeshift jail, Priyanka is kept in makeshift jail, I don't care. The issue is that 6 people have been run over by a criminal. The people who are supposed to be putting the criminal in jail, right? They're not putting the criminal in jail, right? They're stopping people from going to see the family who's lost their members. हम अपनी गाड़ी में जाके सिक्योरिटी वाले से बातचीत की सर, अंदर से कानून के बेसिस पे, कौन से कानून के बेसिस पे सर वीआईपी हैंडल से सारी गाड़ियां लगाई गई सर। मुझे नॉर्मल में जाना है, मुझे वीआईपी में जाना ही नहीं है सर। आपकी सिक्योरिटी को देखकर सर सबने क्या किया गया सर? सर पूरा जाम है तिराहा सर। कुछ जाम नहीं है, हम वहां से जाना चाहते हैं।
Finally, the UP police appeared to have relented and let him travel in his own car, but with a police escort, to take him to Sitapur, where his sister and Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had remained in police custody. Back in the capital, the ruling BJP has been largely silent and adamantly behind Ajay Mishra, even though he admitted his car was involved in Sunday's violence. Mishra was appointed minister just a couple of months ago, with analysts pointing out an eye on the UP elections.
Top government sources have indicated that there is no question of a resignation for the Minister of State for Home Affairs, because he has clarified not once but twice that he wasn't present at his site and neither was his son. Yes, his car was involved, but that's a matter of investigation.
Ironically, while his son stays out of jail, tomorrow Ajay Mishra will be attending a meeting of prison officials in his capacity as a top law official of the country. However, the media has been uninvited from the event. Ved Arvind Gunasekar in Sitapur and Sunil Prabhu in Delhi. Bureau Report, NDTV.